In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add cities or countries to special sequences in Freshsales. This is a helpful way to make sure the right contacts receive the right messages based on where they are located. Follow along at your own pace, and as you do, you can mirror what you see on your Freshsales screen. First, log in to Freshsales. If you are already signed in, you can simply move to the next part. Logging in is necessary because the sequence settings you are going to edit are tied to your account and your workspace. Once you are in, take a moment to confirm you are on the Freshsales dashboard so you do not get lost. Next, go to Conversation. Then click the Sales Sequence tab. This area is where Freshsales organizes automation workflows related to sales outreach. You will be able to find the specific sequence you want to adjust from this menu path. If you do not see the tab immediately, look for it under the same Sales or Automation section, because layouts can vary slightly depending on your setup. Now, select and open your desired sequence. Choose the sequence that you already have or that you want to customize. Opening the correct sequence matters because the city or country targeting will apply only to that specific flow. Once the sequence opens, you should see the configuration or editing area for enrollment and targeting. After that, click Enrollment or Targeting. This is the section where Freshsales determines who will be enrolled in the sequence and under what conditions. Depending on your interface, you may see these labels directly, or they may appear as part of the sequence configuration. If you land on a screen with rules, audience, or conditions, you are in the right place. Then locate the sequence type. This option controls how Freshsales will interpret the targeting criteria you set. Spend a few seconds here to find the field or label that says sequence type because the next step depends on it. Once you locate the sequence type, select city or country and time. This tells Freshsales that you want to narrow the audience using geographic location and the time component tied to that targeting. After you select this, Freshsales usually updates the form to show the location selectors you need. Now choose the specific locations. Look for the fields where you can enter or select cities and countries. You can choose the locations you want your sequence to apply to based on your outreach strategy. For example, you might add cities where you have active operations or where you want to focus marketing and sales efforts. Take your time to ensure you are selecting the correct cities or countries, because that is what will drive who gets included. After you have selected the locations you want, click Save. Saving is important because it stores your changes, so they are applied to the sequence going forward. If you do not save, your adjustments may not take effect. Once you click Save, wait for the confirmation that your updates were successfully applied, and that covers everything you need to know. You now know how to add cities or countries to special sequences in Freshsales by selecting the right sequence, opening enrollment or targeting, setting the sequence type to city or country and time, choosing your locations, and saving your changes. And that is all there is to it.